Hello and welcome. Today we'll be going over the installation of the Update Manager plugin in OpenManage Enterprise. The installation of the plugins in OpenManage Enterprise can be found on the Console and Plugins page. We'll head over to Application Settings, then Console and Plugins. From here we have a list of all plugins available for OpenManage Enterprise. The plugin updates can be downloaded using an online source, Dell.com, or if the appliance is offline, a network share. NFS, HTTPS, or HTTP share types can be utilized. The local path input can be put here. Today we'll just be using Dell.com to download our Update Manager plugin. We can scroll down on our list here to Update Manager, click Install. In our wizard here, we'll have all the available plugins to install. Today we'll just select Update Manager and click Next. Our Update Manager plugin is downloading currently from our source. We'll give this a couple of minutes to complete. Once the download is complete, we'll click Next, and we'll need to review our end user license agreement. Once the user license has been reviewed, we'll click Accept, and next to our final review page. On our final review page here, we'll get a list of scheduled jobs, currently in progress jobs, and logged in users. These scheduled jobs or tasks will be terminated during the update process, so ensure there's no other users logged in actively performing actions that could cause a disruption. It is also highly recommended to take a backup of the appliance before installing or updating plugins. Okay, once we've reviewed this, we can hit Agree, I agree, and click Finish. The OpenManage Enterprise appliance will reboot, and the interface here will display the current process. Once our appliance is back online here, go ahead and get logged back in. If no plugins were previously installed on the appliance, we'll have a new tab here labeled Plugins. Now that Update Manager is installed, we have a option to open that plugin. From our Update Management plugin tab now, we have the ability to create repositories or configure settings as needed. That should be it for installing the Update Manager plugin. Thank you and have a great day.